Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off the dishwasher's water supply underneath the sink. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Maytag dishwasher pump filter. It's going to be a very easy repair and it should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new pump filter. The pump filter is what stops items from going down inside the pump. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's cracked or damaged in some way. In order to get to the part, we're going to open up the dishwasher door, pull the lower rack out, take it out and set it aside. First thing we have to do is take off the spray arm. We're going to use a Torx 15 driver to take the screw out, and we can lift the spray arm out. With the spray arm out of the way, we can remove all the screws that hold in this plastic housing. We're going to use the same Torx 15 driver for everything in here. Now that we have the screws up, we're going to have to use a small flathead screwdriver. There's a locking tab on the bottom side of this tube that releases this. So we're just going to have to stick it in the back and just release it. Once you have it out, you can just pull the housing out. To get the impeller off, you want to hold it, and then we can take our Torx 15 driver and remove the screw that holds it down. Once you have the screw out, we can just lift the impeller out. With the impeller out of the way, we can remove these 5 screws that hold the pump filter in. With all the screws out, we can lift up the pump filter and pull it out as a complete assembly. Push on this fitting right here to pull it out. Once you have it out, then you can just lift it off the pump. Here's the old pump filter next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new pump filter in, we're going to put the cover over the top of it first. You want to make sure that the hose outlet is towards the back. Then we can set it back down on top of the pump. When you're putting the pump filter in, you want to make sure that the round hose goes into the round fitting on the top of the filter. Once you have it in place, we can put the screws back in to hold it down. Now we can put the smaller screws down here to hold it to the pump. Then we can put the 3 big ones around the outer holes that hold the cover on. Then we can go around and tighten them all down. Now we can put the impeller back in. All you have to do is line it up with the motor shaft and push it down. Once you have it down, we can use our Torx 15 driver and put the screw back in. You have to hold it while you turn it so you can tighten it down. Now we can put this housing back in. Here's the locking tab that you had to release on the bottom. So you want to make sure that goes underneath the tube. And once you have it underneath, then we can lower it down and push it back at the same time so it snaps into place. Then we can use the Torx 15 driver and put the screws in. Then we can put the spray arm back in. All you have to do is set it down into place and then tighten the screw down. Now that we have everything put back together, we can put the lower rack back in. To put the lower dish rack back in, All you have to do is set it on the door, then you can push it in. Once you have it all the way in, you can close the dishwasher door. Now that you're done repairing the appliance, you can plug it back in, turn the water back on, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.